Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you the easiest way on how you can trade Forex trading and be profitable. So if you're both a beginner or an advanced trader, make sure you watch this video until the end. On the screen, you can see the trade that we did take on volatility 75-1S index. It was taken around these areas of 1043 up here. So one may ask, sir, this market was moving in an uptrend direction. As you can see, the market was moving, providing you a series of higher highs and higher lows. But why did you enter a sell position while clearly this market was moving in an uptrend direction? Now, for the case of those beginner traders, in Forex market, the market moves in three moves. The first move is known as an uptrend direction, where the market will move, providing you with a series of higher highs and higher lows, just like this. The second move is known as the downtrend movement, in which the market will move, providing you with a series of lower lows and lower highs, just like this. The third move is known as a correction, where the market moves in sideways, providing you with equal series of highs and equal series of lows. That means the market has no any significant direction that it moves. You cannot say for sure that this market is moving either in an uptrend or a downtrend. So this third movement is a movement that we do not trade at all here at Forex Clubhouse. It's very profitable. I know you may find people who are trading this movement by trading the support or the resistance, but trust me, this movement is really profitable. So what to do here at Forex Clubhouse, first we identify only these two movements. We are trading either if the market moves in an uptrend or either if the market moves in a downtrend, because they say the trend is your friend, and trust me, the trend is really your friend. So on this movement or on this trade right here, after identifying this market was moving in an uptrend, we were hoping to continue to keep looking for buy positions. But there is this thing that did occur on the 1 hour time frame, which made us say, okay, this market, it won't keep buying, and it is a high time that we keep looking for sell positions. And as you can see, we are still in bruise until now. So what's that thing? There's a thing on the 1 hour time frame. It is known as the shift of the market structure. What is a shift of the market structure before we go into the charts? So a shift of the market structure is just a change of series, meaning if the market, for instance, it was moving in providing you a series of higher highs and higher lows just like this, when the market comes to retest and fails to respect this level and breaks just below it, then just know at this point there is a shift of the market structure has occurred. And what's next is they will have a change of series. That means if this market was moving, providing you with series of higher highs and higher lows, then the market has provided you with a shift of the market structure, means the change of series, and the market will start moving, providing you with series of lower lows and lower highs, just like this. So getting back to the markets right here, let us see at what point exactly we did get a shift of the market structure. So on the daily time frame, we saw that this market was moving, providing you with series of higher highs and higher lows. Correct? That means on the daily, the market shows us that it was moving in an uptrend direction. But on the 1 hour time frame, the moment the market broke this previous higher low right here, it marked that there is a shift of the market structure. So this gave us an alarming feature that says, okay, now it's a high time that we should start looking for sells. What to do is we said, okay, since the market has provided us a shift, then we will no longer concentrate on this uptrend movement, because ideally or technically, the shift or the change of the market structure series is about to occur. So what we did is we waited until the market came back to retest the previous broken level right here and come and consume this liquidity engineering right here, and we insert this trade. I have used a new word or a new term, liquidity engineering. So if you're a beginner trader, there is a video on that on my channel. So make sure you watch that video where I explain the concept of liquidity engineering in step by step, so that you understand what do I mean by saying the term liquidity engineering? So you can see the moment the market came to this point right here, we entered this sell trade. And as you can see, how beautifully it played out. Until now, it has been weeks and some days, we are still holding this trade. We are still holding this trade. And that's the beauty of it. As you can see, it's very simple, no complications, no Fibonacci's, just a simple concept of higher highs and higher lows that most of the traders, when they come to trading, they tend to ignore that simple concept. And by the way, these trades are shared on my Telegram group. If you want to join my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, contact me on my Telegram channel and we will discuss further. I wish you the best and bye-bye.